marinating and cooking the rattlesnake we caught. You got to take a look at the video that shows us butchering. And I decided, that, wow, this thing is still moving. Oh, this is creepy. Anyway, we're going to be marinating it with Coke, and we'll have some fresh that garlic and onion in the marinade that's inside there. This is the stuff I'll be using on the grill later. But this is the real expert, my wife. But I'm going to do this. You just pour the Coke right on there? And then put it in the bag? Okay.
But you don't just pour the garlic on it.
Should I put the garlic in the Coke? And the minced onion in the Coke? And then pour that on there?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Then I guess that's how we'll do it. I already have a can, it's open. Alright, so Coke Life. Not as much sugar. Alright, there's that. Okay. I like a lot of garlic, so how much should I put in?
A teaspoon.
A teaspoon?
No.
Why not? What's the matter with that? Oh, it's in there now. Is that too much?
Way too much. You just wasted a lot of garlic.
Oh. And then just sprinkle this stuff in here? Oh, it's not ready to... Gotta open it. Much, another teaspoon? Tell me one. Oops. I can smell the onion now. Okay, so I have an instruction from on high. We just take this mixture and pour it right in here into the snake. And then I have another bag that we're going to both put this in here and seal it up. Alright, here we go. This is our Coke marinade chicken. Alright, I'm sorry. Snake. Okay, we want to get the garlic. Ouch! I've got a cat biting my ankle right now. Say hello. Hello. He always has. Ow! Hey, cool it. I gotta stay focused here. I don't do this for a living. Alright, looks like things are doing good. The snake is still frozen, so we're letting it thaw in the marinade. Something I've done is when I'm marinating meat is I'll flip it over from time to time so the marinade that sinks to the bottom will get to try and fully marinate all the meat. Alright, I'm going to cut it into about 4-inch sections. There's some bones in there, so I guess I got to chop even harder. Now we're going to put this on the grill. There's our pieces. Fire's on, and I rinsed these off in just cool water after I chopped them up. So now I'm just going to close the lid and let it cook for a little bit. Watch the temperature. I want to get it good and warm, and then we'll see how it goes. Top shelf, bottom shelf. Well, we're taking a look. It's been about 5 minutes. It's looking good. And it's time to flip it over. So now we're going to take a look. Shows about 300 degrees. Alright, looks like our temperature is high. It's cooking on the edges. That's looking good, guys. This is looking good. I think I'm going to try one of these pieces here. I just want to make sure it's well cooked because we don't need more trouble in our life right now. Yeah, this is a thin piece. These guys are cooked. All right, here we go. Yeah, this is good. This is good. These aren't the best tongs in the world, that's for sure. All right, let it. I'm gonna let it cook for a moment longer. Just shut these burners off, and we'll pull it off in another few minutes. See how it goes. All right, let's get. So that's the goal, is to make it as tender as possible. There we go. Plate of snake. The rattlesnake tasted pretty good. It tasted like a mild chicken flavor, maybe even with a hint of pork. That was about it. It wasn't very tender, even though we marinated it for all that time. We expected it to be more tender, but it was chewy and a little tough. Overall, though, I'm pretty happy that we did this, because now I know I can do it again if needed. So I hope this helps you. I hope you enjoyed this, and subscribe and like if you haven't already done that, and share it if you know somebody that can use it. Thanks.